Hello my dear students, welcome to my English class. Today we have to learn, we have to enjoy a beautiful poem, that is the noble nature, Uttama Swabhav. Now my dear students, I am reciting this poem. Look at this poem. It is not growing like a tree, in bulk or doth make man better be, or standing long and oak 300 years, to fall a log at last dry, bald and sere. Or lily of a day is fair far in May, although it fall and die at night, it was the flank and flower of light. In small proportions we just beauty see, and in short measures life may perfect be. It is a very short poem, my dear students. There are two stanzas here you see. Let's know about the poet. Who is the composer of this poem? Ben Jonson. Ben Jonson, you see. Ben Jonson is the composer of this poem. Now, you should know about the poet and the poem. Ben Jonson was born in 1572 and died in 1637. That is 17th century. He was an English poet, dramatist and actor. He was a contemporary of William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, great dramatist. That is drama, English language, Shakespeare. He was contemporary, Samosamaika. Okay? Contemporary William Shakespeare. In this poem, the noble nature, he talks. What does the poet say about? What was the theme of his writing, composing this poem? That is, he talks about the qualities that make a man noble. What are the qualities? How long that one lives doesn't matter. What was the quality that what is the quality that he possesses? What are the qualities that he possesses? He गुण बहन करिछि ताकू ही से महत्व रखे केते दिन अधिक बंचिला महत्व रखे ना. This is the theme of this poem. Let's know, let's understand about the poem. Okay, now my dear students will see. It is not growing like a tree, in fall doth man make man better be, or standing long and oak 300 years, to fall log at last dry, bald and sere. Or lily of a day is fair of harmony, although it fall and die at night, it was the flight and flower of light. In small proportions we just beauty see, and in short measures life may perfectly short measures. Okay, now my dear students, you understand the meaning of you should understand what are the important words, key words that we can find in the poem. The word meaning you see, oak, large and strong European tree, very large tree that lives for 300 years, for long years. It is very strong. It has strong bone, large size and weight. Log, thick piece of wood of a trunk or branch. Gondi, kipata, very thick piece of wood. That is log, piece of wood. You see, okay, thick piece of log wood, that is deep wood. Sere means dry or withered, sukhi jai, mori jai, sukhi diba. Fair means more beautiful. Fairest. Just means really Proportions means quantities. Small proportions, small quantities. Measures means you need to find measure size, quantity or weight. Small measures. Now let's understand the poem better. When students, it is not going like a tree. Here, the noble nature, the theme, possesses noble nature, may be man. Man may have good qualities. That man is not growing like a tree. Man does not grow like tree. In bulk doth make man better be. That bulk, pusto mota, ujanya, doth means doth, poem doth, make man better be. बड़ ही मोटा ही गले गछ भलिया बड़ ही गले man better be. Or standing long and oak 300 years. Oak tree, European tree, found in England. European tree lives for long years, 300 years. It stands, it lives. Okay? And standing long means the piece of thick wood, very strong wood, that is oak. Oak lives for long years. But when time comes that it's a log that falls. When does its log fall? Ketole se pode, ketole ta mrityu ghate. When it becomes dry, bald and sere, जेतल सुखी जाए, जेतले झड़ी जाए पत्र, जेतल सुखीकरी पत्र झड़ा दिए, पत्र झड़ी जाए, मरी जाए, सेतले से ओक ट्री मध्य तले पड़ी जाए, तार मृत्यु घटे. But a lily of a day is fair of having a lily, the kind of how you see lily. This you see oak tree, European tree, which is larger, oak tree is larger. It is very small plant, beautiful flower, lilies, no doubt beautiful. It lives for how many days? It lives for only one day. अति संक्षिप्त समय गोटे दिन पैसे बोलছে ई बर्तुनिटी is fair of having May मासरे सुंदर देखा जाए. Although it fall and die at night, though it lives for only one night, when a day comes that you can find that you cannot find another day. It only lives for only one day. It dies in that night. Say that it was the planet and flower light, but we praise it. Why do we praise it? Because it is the power of light. It is very beautiful flower. It attracts the onlookers. It attracts or it touches our heart because of its quality, good quality, beautiful quality. Okay, its quality, bright quality. Though it lives for short time, but it gives its pleasure, आनंद दिए, खुशी दिए, मनोहरण करे और होते ना बच्चे. But oak tree doesn't do that. किंतु oak अगर सुनिश्चित बच्चे भी किंतु lily सहित से तो lily is better than that the oak tree. Okay, and in small proportions we just beauty see. It is small proportions, small quantity, very small size lily. But in small size we can find beauty in lily. It is compared to that oak tree, and the lily and oak tree, they are compared to human beings. Man, though lives for a short period of time, but some people live a long period of time. One can live 100 years, 800 years, 700, but one can live, for example, Vajirao. Only 11 years of old, lived for small proportion, that is small measures. In short measures, in small, that is in short period of time, short period of time, संक्षिप्त समय भितरे that life is perfect. Whose life is perfect? the life who has the good qualities, who has noble nature, that life is perfect. But one can live for long years, but if he doesn't do anything for the society, if he doesn't possess any good qualities, truthfulness, honesty, or selflessness, dedication, that life is meaningless. If one lives for short period of time, just सकित समय पाई गए बंचे सी तार छाप छाड़ी जाए तार से उदारता तार भल गुण द्वारा से अमर रहे he becomes immortal, not mortal. से मनुष्य भाव रहे. So like Lily attracts us, gives pleasure. We like Lily better than the oak tree. Though oak lives for 100 years, 600 वर्ष अधिक oak गछ बंचिले मध्य किंतु Lily lasts better short period of time. Though Lily lives for only one day, but it is the beautiful and it is the flower of life. Why does Lily better than oak tree? Because Lily is a flower of light. In small measures, it has perfect life. But similarly, that Lily is compared to a person who lives for a short period of time, possessing good qualities. That is noble nature. आदर्श गोटे महत्व गुण को धारण करिछि से अल्प दिन बंच पछे किंतु ता लाइफ होछि better than one lives for long period of time. Okay, my dear students, answers. Okay, how long that does oak tree live? 300 years. Oak tree can live 300 years. You see, 300 years oak tree can live. After long years, what happens at last? What happens to oak tree? What happens? At last it falls, dry, wild and sere. Last तारो मृत्यु घटे सुखी जाए झड़ी पड़े. Which is better, fair, far in May? Lily is fair in May. How long does Lily live? Yes, Lily lives for a day. गोटे दिन पाई रहे. Okay, and why is Lily better than the oak tree? Because it is the power of light, my dear students. Okay, what do you mean by proportions? Means quantities. Small proportions are very small quantities. Okay, what do you mean by short measures? Very short period of time, for short period of life. Okay, my dear students, I think you will understand my teaching better. Okay, thank you.